No? No? Mm-mm. Getting warmer? Yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. It's your boy, Jabril. We are going to go outside today. We are going to cook on my Blackstone. But we're going to do some prep work. And some talking. Because who doesn't love talking? But we are going to make buffalo chicken tacos. Oh yeah. Because who doesn't love buffalo chicken and tacos? So yes, we are going to make some buffalo chicken tacos. And actually, as you can tell, I found some rotisserie chicken that was already pulled for me. So yeah. But I got about 2 pounds here. And just some regular buffalo sauce, because why reinvent the wheel? And then just some lettuce, tomatoes, and some ranch. Now, normally I would put if I were serving this, at a restaurant, I'd put blue cheese crumbles on it, just to give it some pizzazz. But I'm not a big blue cheese person, so we're going to skip that part and just make it look fancy with lettuce and tomatoes. Because simplicity is key, and who doesn't love just regular buffalo chicken tacos? Why reinvent something? So yeah, we're gonna make buffalo chicken tacos. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my tomatoes. That way I have them ready to go. But we're just gonna go outside and heat up our chicken, and then cook the buffalo sauce with the chicken because we're fancy like that. We'll heat up our tortillas. And then we'll come back inside, we'll put our tacos together, and enjoy. So, yeah. Let's go outside.
Taco time.
Alright. So one of the things I learned in the restaurant business is that odd numbers are the way to go. So guess what? We're doing 3 tacos. Plus they're these little street taco shells. And they're kind of adorable, but we're gonna roll with it. So fun little side note. I did notice that Blackstone has taco holder shells, and I need to get my hands on one really bad. So just a fun fact that this could have looked a lot more presentable, but and nobody paid me to say that. I just personal opinion. But let's plate up some tacos. So we're gonna take our chicken and just. Now, I don't want to put a whole lot on because ouch, hot. I'm putting other stuff on it, and so I don't want to completely overfill my tacos. Not that I wouldn't figure out a way to eat it all. Presentation, ladies and gentlemen. Presentation. Okay? That's what we're going for. Would I rather just put tortillas on a plate and smother the whole thing in chicken? Absolutely. But that's not what we're going for. Gaby needs a good thumbnail, okay? We're going to be healthy and put on our salad. Our lettuce. Give it some pizzazz. Boom. Pizzazz. Health. Happiness. Tacos. Okay? Can't believe I almost forgot cheese. I'm really bad at this, I'll tell you what. Just some mozzarella cheese, just a little bit, or Monterey Jack cheese, whichever floats your boat. All right, now we're gonna put on a little bit of our ranch. Now, Gabe, why didn't you make your own ranch? Well, because you know what? Patience, okay? I'm sorry. Just a little drizzle. Some maters. Give some pizzazz. There you go. Buffalo chicken tacos, made with love and care. All right. Let's eat some tacos. So, the only complaint I have about cooking things on flat tops or cooking anything is when you cook wing sauces. It always dumbs down the flavor. I hate that. I don't like it. I hate it. It doesn't matter what cool, awesome thing it is. Whenever you heat up hot wing sauce or any hot sauce, It always dumbs down the flavor, and I don't like it. So I'm gonna add just a little bit while I'm trying these out, because I want some hot sauce. Just a little bit. Just enough to bring that heat back. And what I probably could have done is poured it directly onto the chicken, so that way I didn't mess up my presentation, but everything's okay now. But let's give her a whirl. Now this is about the only time I eat tomatoes, and this is about the only way I'll eat tomatoes, other than putting salt and pepper on them. Because I'm not a big tomato person. I'm not. It is what it is. But, cheers. Yep. 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 Most definitely. Yeah. Nope. So, yeah, I'm glad I added a little bit extra hot sauce to this. But this is just a very good buffalo chicken taco. And I love it. Nothing wrong with the classics. So, the lettuce adds a nice crunch to it. And kind of a nice refreshing taste to the harshness of the vinegar and the wing sauce. And then the rotisserie chicken is just excellent to begin with. Like, that's what makes the whole taco, is the chicken. You need good quality cooked chicken to make any good taco or anything like that, especially a buffalo chicken taco. I would make these for like a taco food truck. This would be a good seller. This is really good. And it's very simple. It's very easy. It's very quick. Makes for a very quick family meal. And they're nice and cute little tacos. I mean, just look at them. They're nice and delicate and soft and delicious and just pretty, and yeah. And really good. Yeah. Definitely would make for like a good like tailgate party and stuff. Oh yeah, good stuff. But there you have it, guys. Buffalo chicken tacos on my Blackstone. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button next to it, comment down below, tell me what you think. Give me some other ideas, and as always, guys, peace out. Taco, taco, tacos.